Vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers, listen up. The single most important piece of gear in your bag is about to get a terrifyingly powerful upgrade. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an update to the already incredible Pocket 3, it's rumored to be the launch of the Pocket Cinema camera. Forget sticky phone gimbals and bulky mirrorless setups. We've managed to crack the code on the latest leaks, revealing a dual camera system, a Hasselblad Color collaboration, and performance specs that will make you question why you own a larger camera at all. Mass production has started. The launch is imminent. If you value professional-grade cinematic quality in a device that fits in your palm, stay with me for the next 30 minutes. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This camera will redefine portability, and we have the exclusive look at every single feature DJI is desperate to keep secret. The Pocket's revolution and the need for pro power. The Pocket series changed content creation forever. It gave us 3-axis stabilization and pro-level quality in a candy bar size. But the world moves fast. Creators now demand better low-light performance, greater zoom flexibility, and even sharper AI tracking. The Pocket 3 was a huge step with the 1-inch sensor, but it left room for perfection. DJI's answer is the Pocket 4. The expectation here isn't just about a bigger number. It's about pushing the fidelity and the versatility of the Pocket camera past the point of no return. The leaks point to a device that's smaller than its predecessor, but fundamentally more capable. The imaging bombshell, dual camera system and 1-inch sensor. Let's dive into the core of the controversy and excitement, the imaging system. The most explosive leaks suggest the Pocket 4 is coming with a dual camera setup. Imagine a main, powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor for wide, low-light optimized shots, paired with a secondary telephoto lens for crisp, lossless zoom. This is a game changer. It means you can capture intimate details without sacrificing quality or risking the stability of digital zoom. Furthermore, we are hearing strong whispers of Hasselblad Natural Color Solution integration. This means richer, more true-to-life colors and incredible dynamic range, giving your footage a cinematic depth previously reserved for cameras 10 times its size. Video specs. Prepare for 4K at 240 frames per second. Ultra-smooth slow motion that is simply unheard of in this form factor. This isn't a vlogging camera anymore. It's a professional tool that fits in your jacket pocket. Design and ergonomics. The body revolution. The leaks indicate a completely redesigned chassis. Prototype images show the Pocket 4 will be slightly taller but notably slimmer and lighter than the Pocket 3, weighing around 116 grams. Portability is maintained, but usability is massively improved. The rotatable OLED screen, a highlight of the Pocket 3, is rumored to be enlarged to 2.5 inches and made brighter with a faster response rate. This means easier framing, especially in bright sunlight, and a more intuitive touchscreen interface. Crucially, the leaks show new, dedicated hardware buttons replacing the Osmo branding. These buttons are likely dedicated to zoom control, mode switching, or quick gimbal adjustments, addressing the user pain point of having to rely entirely on the touchscreen for quick actions. The intelligence leap. ActiveTrack 7.0